Hi beauty, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever gone to the bed with breakout, dull skin and wish you could wake up with a clearer, smoothing and a glow skin, this particular video is for you, because in today's video I'll be walking you through every step of your skincare routine in order to wake up and have this glow, effective, beautiful and a calm and a clear looking skin. With that being said, let's quickly dive into the process. The first step in your night skincare routine should be double cleansing. Yes, because your skin has gone through a lot of stress, through a lot of disturb, through a lot of dust and germs today, and it is time for you now to cleanse your face properly. And if you are to cleanse your face properly, you have to go in with double cleansing. That is when your oil cleanser comes in. Oil cleanser will help to melt away those makeup you're having on your face, those sunscreen you have wear during the daytime. Oil cleanser will help to melt away those makeup, those sunscreen and those excess sebum on your face. It will melt it away. That is why oil cleanser is very important in your nighttime skincare routine. So after you applying your oil cleanser, using it at night, the next step is going to be your gentle foaming cleanser or your gel cleanser. Using your oil cleanser and your foaming cleanser or your gel cleanser together is called double cleansing. That is why it's very important in order to remove the impurity, the dirt on your face properly. After using your oil cleanser, you go in with your foaming cleanser or your gel cleanser, and trust me sis, by this time your face is already looking refreshing, it's already looking clean, it's already looking perfect, it's ready to absorb the rest step skincare routine you are going to use on your face during your night skincare routine. So after this step, the next step is going to be your target treatment. This is where your treatment product comes in. Products like serum, this is when they comes into your skincare routine. I mean your night skincare routine. You can use product that contain niacinamide, because niacinamide serum helps to reduce inflammation, help you to achieve even skin tone. Niacinamide is a very great ingredient, and I don't have to talk much on niacinamide. If you have make use of a product that contain niacinamide, I mean a very good product that contain niacinamide, because these days brands will just come out that product contain this, product contain that. At the end of the day, when you use that product, you end up seeing some things on your skin that you are not happy, you are not pleasant with. So I need a very good product that contain niacinamide, which also you'll be seeing products display on your screen that I'll be sharing based on the steps video. So stick to this video to the end and make sure you pay maximum attention so that you see whenever I drop each product display based on the particular step I'm explaining. If you have a breakout, you can use product or serum that contains salicylic acid, or you make use of retinol 2 times or 3 times. That is if you have long time acne and you are going to still have anti-aging benefits when you make use of retinol. So these are key ingredients you need to look forward to in your night skincare routine. Product that contain niacinamide, just as I said earlier, for inflammation and even skin tone. If you have acne, you can make use of salicylic acid, or you make use of your retinol. For that is if your acne has been long or you have anti-aging, you go for retinol, and you have to use this 3 times in a week at night. You have to pick one particular one based on this particular step, which is target treatment. Is either you pick any of the products you just saw on your screen. So the next step is going to be your moisturizer. Hydration plus moisturizer. Even though you are having acne skin, even though you're having oily skin, you still need to hydrate your skin, you still need to moisturize your skin. This step will help to lock up those products you have used on your skin. It's going to lock up moisture on your skin, so you need it in your skincare routine, either you're having oily skin or acne prone skin. Just go for a lightweight product but a hydrating moisturizing product. This will help to seal up everything on your face that you just apply. Next step is going to be your spot treatment. That is if you're having spots on your face, that is when you have to apply this after your moisturizer. Your serum, which is your target treatment, is before your moisturizer, but this spot treatment you have to use it after your hydrating moisturizer, because you are just targeting those areas you are having spot on. That is where you are going to apply this product I'm about to recommend for you in this particular section. But remember, this particular section is optional. If you have active pimples, you are to go in with this step. You can go for products that contain benzoyl peroxide. This will help to target those spots you're having on your face. Benzoyl peroxide, sulfur is also very great ingredients that you can also go in with. Hydrocolloid is also another best ingredient that you can go in with. This will help to calm the breakouts you're having over the night. That is why this step is also important, but it is optional. It is optional, but if you think that maybe you want to go extra step, you are to apply this section after your moisturizer, your hydrating moisturizer, and you can pick from any of these products you are seeing on your screen right now. So what is your night skincare routine without this last step, which is your lip? Your lip also need a care, and that is when your lip balm comes in. Don't joke with that. If you want a smoothie soft lip when you wake up in the morning, you have to use a thick balm at night, so that by the time you wake up in the morning, you will see this soft, beautiful lip. And also, if you have dark eye cycle, this is when your eye cream should also come in your skincare routine. So you have to make use of eye cream if you love applying eye cream or if you have dark eye cycle. And finally, beauty sleep matters. You have to make sure that your pillowcase are all clean, clean, girl. You cannot do all of this skincare routine and go and sleep on a dirty bed sheet or on a dirty pillowcase. It's not gonna make any sense. Sis, when last do you wash your pillowcase? When last do you wash your bed sheet? So you need to make sure that your pillowcase and your bed sheet are always clean whenever you are sleeping at night. This is a very important step also. If you don't know, I'm telling you this for free. In order to avoid irritation, this night skincare routine need consistency. You have to be consistent, you have to be patient, and at the same time you have to prepare to make sure that your pillowcase and your bed sheet are always clean. Your night skincare routine is all about cleaning properly. Trust me, if your first step is always properly used, that is your cleanser, I mean your double cleansing, your other skincare routine are going to absorb into your skin without any gallop. Because if your face is not properly cleansed, if you do not remove those excess sebum, those sunscreen, those makeup properly on your face, there is no way those products I just listed are going to penetrate deeply into your skin. So make sure you pay maximum attention to your first step skincare routine. When it comes to your oil cleanser, make sure you melt away all of those things I just listed. And when it comes to your gentle cleanser that you are using secondly on your skin, make sure you cleanse it properly, because if your face is not properly clean, there is no way you are going to see changes on your face. Those products will just sit on your skin and it won't penetrate down into your skin that those magics are going to work. I have to say this before I end this video so that it won't be as if you end up buying those products with your money and you are not seeing results on your skin and you'll be wondering why these products are not working. It's because of the way you use them. Cleanse properly, make use of your moisturizer, and make use of your treatment just the way I said it in this step, in this video, and trust me, you are going to see maximum change. If you watch this video to this extent, what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed, join the community. Subscribe if you haven't joined the community. Turn on the notification bell to always be the first person to be notified each time I drop a new video. I still remain your favorite guest, Sophia, and make sure you share this video with a friend or family that might be struggling with what? Dark skin or breakouts on their face, and they are looking for a nice skincare routine, because trust me, during the night time your skin tends to rest more, relax well, so all of those products you apply on your skin are going to what? Maximally deeply penetrate into your skin, and you're going to see the result when you wake up in the morning. With that being said, I'm going to stop here and I will see you all in the next very one. Stay blessed and peace. Bye.